Hello and welcome to Trading the Trend on Wednesday, the 12th of July 2023. At the end of June, we went short copper, and that trade is still working out quite well. I mean, as you can see here on the daily financial bet, we went short around 8,470. We had a very nice decline for 4 consecutive days then, and since then, though, we've bounced back with a slightly bullish bias. But we failed this week at the 200-day simply moving average here trade at 8,453. So if you haven't gotten out of your shorts with a profit on this trade, what you could do is to lower your take profit level to your entry level, and thereby you have a free trade on. And we could do this with regards to $8,470 per ton for our trade here. And last week we went short natural gas, and here the story is quite similar in that we did decline as expected. As you can see here, we went short at $2.77, and it did drop down towards $2.53, but since then has rebounded somewhat. So if you didn't cash in your shorts on this trade, what you could do is also lower your take profit level to your entry level, in our case around $2.77. So effectively making it a free trade. And this brings me on to this week's Trading the Trend. And as you can see here, the trend for silver is pointing down because we have a series of lower highs and lower lows, and that is the definition of a downtrend. And what I expect to see is what we saw back in May and June. We had a sideways to upward correction of this downtrend, which was then followed by another steep decline. And this is what I anticipate to happen going forward as well. So what I would like to do, therefore, is to go short silver at around $23.20 with a stop loss above the June high to give us lots of room, and a downside target around the $20 mark or so. So this week's Trading the Trend is to go short silver at $23.20 with a stop loss at $24.55 and a downside target at $20.05.